Hi guys, I will guide you how to recover your hacked account or a stolen account in Bigo Live. So first you have to click on this sign in with phone. Just make sure do not try to attempt to log in your account when your account is hacked. It will create a new account on your number, so don't do that. So click on account appeal. Okay, here we have these options. Just click on appeal now. So here you have to select that your account is stolen or you have no longer access to the number you have attached with your Bigo Live ID. So I'll go with account stolen. I just select on lost phone. So in the description just write I lost my phone and click on next. Here you have to mention your Bigo ID and the model of your device. As I have just demonstrated you, I have mentioned these things hot and play. Make sure to write the exact model of your phone in which your mobile ID was logged in. Click on next step. Here you have to give an email address where Bigo can contact you. Just write down your email address here. Next is enter the mobile phone number to be rebound. Write a new mobile number, not the previous one which was associated with your ID. Write a new mobile number and click on send. It will send a verification code on your number. Write that code in this box, enter confirmation code section. Okay, next step is very important. You have to write your Bigo ID and your phone number on a paper. While holding that paper in your hand, you have to take a selfie. After taking that selfie, upload that image here. After submitting this image, click on next step, and after 1 or 3 working days, you'll get a password reset link. Guys, this is the official way to recover your account and it is 100% working. I hope this video will help you to recover your account. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.